Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot install Valorant dependency error No Vanguard installed issue. Are you trying to install Valorant but keep seeing a message saying a required dependency couldn't be installed? Or are you stuck because Vanguard just won't install properly? Don't worry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to fix it. First, open File Explorer on your PC and go to your C drive. From there, open the Program Files folder and look for Riot Vanguard. Once you're inside, find the file called vgtray.exe and double-click it. After it opens, you can close it again. This step makes sure Vanguard appears correctly in the system tray. Next, click on the small Show Hidden Icons arrow in the system tray near the clock. Right-click on Riot Vanguard and select Exit Vanguard, then confirm by clicking Yes. Make sure Vanguard is fully closed before continuing, because leaving it running can block a clean reinstall. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Ensure Valorant and Riot Client are completely closed, you're logged in as an administrator, and no Riot processes are running in the background. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent installation conflicts. Now, click on the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Select Uninstall a program, then search for Riot Vanguard in the list. Click on it, choose Uninstall, press Yes, and confirm again. Wait until Vanguard is fully removed, then close the control panel. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After the reboot, open the Riot Client again and try installing Valorant. Vanguard should now install automatically without the dependency error. It's also a good idea to let Vanguard start at boot. This helps ensure everything works correctly and avoids future installation problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Valorant dependency error and install the game without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?